Lag in Dota 2 isn't just annoying, it can straight up cost you the game. One misspell, a delayed blink, or a late BKB, and suddenly the entire fight collapses. So today, I decided to test something called NoPing to see if it can actually reduce latency and make gameplay feel smoother and more consistent. If you've played long enough, you already know how brutal ping spikes can be. Your hero hesitates, abilities don't come out on time, and sometimes the visuals don't even match your inputs. And the worst part? Those moments where you're 100% sure you pressed your item, but the game says otherwise. Even with a decent internet connection, your data doesn't always take the fastest or most stable path to the game server. That's where NoPing comes in. It's a gaming network optimizer that reroutes your connection, aiming to find a more efficient path between your PC and the Dota 2 servers. The goal is simple: lower ping and, more importantly, a more stable connection. So I ran a quick test. Without NoPing, my ping was sitting at around 40 milliseconds. Pretty playable, but not perfect. The moment I turned NoPing on, it dropped to about 30 milliseconds. That might not sound huge at first, but in a fast-paced game like Dota 2, every millisecond counts. More importantly, the connection felt steadier, especially during those moments where my internet usually fluctuates. In actual gameplay, the difference is noticeable. Spellcasting feels tighter, blinking is more precise, and even last hitting feels more responsive. There's less delay between what I do and what happens on screen, which makes a big difference during high-pressure teamfights where timing is everything. Another thing worth mentioning is that NoPing isn't just limited to Dota 2. It supports a wide range of online games and is already being used by millions of players around the world. Setup was surprisingly simple too. It only took a few clicks to get everything running. If you've ever lost a fight or even an entire game because of lag, it might be worth giving it a try. You can check it out using my partner link or the link in the description and see if it improves your connection the same way it did for me.